In this video, we will discuss the remaining outputs generated by Supply Chain Sim, specifically the results summary and dashboard screens. If you are looking for a tutorial on the other basic outputs, you can find that video on our YouTube channel. The results summary screen contains 4 summary outputs featuring throughput, inventory, and fleet information. At the top left corner, a daily throughput report can be generated for any location. Use the controls to select the location and toggle between inflow or outflow to generate a daily throughput graph for all products at the location. Hovering over a line on the graph will show the interactive legend detailing the product that line represents. Toggle the graph icon to show the same information in a tabular format, listing each day's inflow or outflow throughput for each product at the selected location. The top right shows a daily stockpile report. A column graph shows the total inventory within supply chain for the selected product at the start of each day of the simulation. Each column will be split into smaller segments that represent the inventory at each location. A green shaded location will be a production location, blue a warehouse, and red a consumption location. Toggle the percentage icon to display the boxes as absolute unit levels or as a percentage of total units of stock throughout the supply chain. Use the mouse to hover over a segment of the column plot to show its details, including location and unit or percentage levels. Toggle the graph icon to show the same information in a tabular format, listing each day's stockpile level at each location for the selected product. Note that dates represent the stockpiles at the beginning of the day. The lower left of the screen has the inventory report. This report combines the throughput and stockpile information to show each location product combination, the opening and closing inventory levels, and the total inflow and outflow. The report also includes the lowest and highest stockpile levels and the total production or consumption losses as a result of stockpile constraints. Finally, in the lower right, we can see a fleet summary. The fleet summary shows the percentage of time the average asset in each fleet spent queued for a bay, actively loading, unloading, or traveling, and the percentage of time idle, waiting for a cycle to commence. Also included is the average distance traveled by a haulage asset for the duration of the simulation. The dashboard screen allows you to display up to 4 screens simultaneously. Excluding the results summary screen, any of the output panels and/or the supply chain network can be displayed. First, press the View Setting button to select your layout configuration. Then, click on each of the representative boxes to select the screen shown at the represented position. If the selected screen is being shown in another position, the display will be swapped. To resize the layout position, click and drag the green lines in the middle of the screen. To recenter the layout, press the Center Displays button in the configuration area. The dashboard can be used to look at a number of outputs at the same time once the simulation has completed, or it can be used whilst the simulation is running. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos for Supply Chain Sim.